we're the Temu Janitors. Pretty cool band name, right? And on the drums we got Killa. On the electric guitar we got Tianchi. On the piano and backing vocals we got Samuel. On the guitar we got Q. And singer. Pop song called Everybody Talks by the Neon Trees. I was just playing a bit for a bass guitarist that tunes guitar. Good? That got me itching. Oh my gosh. Everybody talks too much. It started with a whisper. Now it's when I kiss her. And dancing in my lips hurt. I can really chit-chat. Take me to the shine. Always coming back to her. Hey sugar, what you gotta say? All you're giving me is fiction. Hey sugar, what you gotta say? It started with a